He said, I'm jobless and I'm looking for a job from him or something like that. I mean, look at my talent and look at your movies. I mean, really?
I also want to ask you, when we look at the industry, what happened is you talked about this, that everybody now gangs up against you. What that means is essentially nobody
No,
supports
it's not that they
nobody supports you.
Well, it's not that I need their support. Do you think I need their support? No. I mean, so far, if you're talking about particularly about my movies,
Yeah, Manikarnika, like, it did
only
well,
two
but
movies.
nobody, yeah.
When Queen happened, that is the time when I actually actively went to industry people and said that this film is for society and we should come together to promote it. How Karan mocked me on IFA stage and called me, sort of on nepotism. And he said, I'm jobless and I'm looking for a job from him or something like that. I mean, look at my talent and look at your movies. I mean, really? He really called me jobless in London on some platform. So no matter what the time is or what the era is, I will always think that some people really needed a bit of a dose of Chyawanprash or something at some point. At one point, there were 6 to 7 people attacking me simultaneously, and some of them were claiming I'm a witch, some of them I'm claiming I'm a psychopath, and some of them were saying that I'm a credit stealer, or I've stolen the subject of Rani Lakshmibai, which is actually in public domain for anyone to make. So I have stolen that subject also. We all know that Bollywood or film industry is absolutely classist, and so is the rest of the society. So the system where it works for certain people the way it is, they were definitely going to resist when you're going to challenge it. So when I came to the industry with a film like Gangster, I won the Best Actress award in the entire Asia. And then I did not have work at all because they did not know what to do with an actor like that. Item numbers were prevalent, and so were the really patriarchal and chauvinistic sort of, male depiction in the films where actresses are just showing up to get pinched in their butt or to get mocked or to sort of, So I did not have work. So like I said, if it's a do or die situation, I'm going to make sure that I survive because like I said, I do not have a plan B. When you're going to question so many things, they will try and shut your voice because the system has been working for them. So it is your prerogative as a person that you see what you want to do, and of course they will do what they can to make sure that that people like us do not survive who question the system.